Hi, my name is Jamie Seacrest. I'm going to be doing my presentation on mission, vision, and personal statements for EDL A52, Module 1. Start out with a little introductions. I live in Garnett, Kansas. I am currently teaching a 5th and 6th grade combination class at Greeley Elementary. I have two sons. My oldest son, Tyler, he is 21, and my younger son, Caden, he is 15. Some educational background on myself. I received my Bachelor of Science degree in marketing from ESU first. I did the business world for a while and decided to go back to school and get my elementary education, and I did that at Ottawa University in Ottawa, Kansas. And then I attended ESU again to get my Master's of Science in Instructional Design and Technology. Some of my work background, this is my 19th year of teaching. I started out my teaching career teaching 5th and 6th grade combination class at Holy Angels Catholic School in Garnett. From there, I went and taught middle school ELA and science for Williamsburg Elementary or Middle School. Then I spent 8 years in Paola, Kansas at Sunflower Elementary teaching 5th grade. And then for the last 6 years, I have been teaching the 5th and 6th grade combination class at Greeley Elementary in Greeley, Kansas. So, what is a school mission statement? A school mission is how a school wants to describe itself to others. Mission statements might want to answer these 3 questions. Whom do you seek to serve? What do you seek to accomplish? And how will you proceed? What is a school mission statement? Well, mission statements should include ages and other characteristics of students you intend to serve, curriculum philosophy and instructional approaches you intend to use, an overall goal or 2 of the school, 1 or 2 special features of the school. So what is a school vision statement? The school's vision statement is the aftermath of achieving the mission statement goal. Highlights what your school's priorities are that the school wants to accomplish, and how your school wants to be viewed as. So what is the role and importance of a school's mission and vision statement? Well, statements of a school's vision and missions are important to keeping a school's focus on its core purpose. A powerful vision statement is one that gives everyone in an organization a vivid sense of purpose. A changing of the status quo for its students, it has to start with the thorough evaluation of its core beliefs. So how do school mission and vision statements work together? Well, school's vision statements outlines a school's values and objectives. The mission statement explains that the school is currently doing to achieve its visions. Schools need both vision and mission statements to show their community what their values and beliefs are. So what are the purposes for collaboratively developing a mission and vision statement? Well, for vision, soliciting input from all staff members and district school stakeholders on the core values to be included. Collaboration with the school leadership team to draft a school vision statement based on information gathered from the various stakeholders. Presenting a rough draft to all order for revisions, and unveiling the school's vision statement to all stakeholders in order to ensure awareness of the intended direction. So what are the purposes for collaboratively developing a mission and vision? Well, for the mission part, conduct an initial research with the community to decide what unmet wants and needs, create a rough draft, and establish a timeline for presenting the completed mission statement. So what are the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision attentive to values and priorities? Well, when creating mission and vision statements, they need to be actionable and include the following: data use, technology, values, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. So what are the characteristics of a well-written mission and vision statements? Well, they need to be academically focused, objectives are clearly expressed, the mission and vision statements are clearly displayed, the mission and vision statements are present in the classrooms, and the mission and vision statements need to be actively modeled. So what are the common problems associated with the school mission and vision statements? Well, despite the benefits, the vision and mission statements are subject to criticism. They could be unrealistic or vague. They could be outdated. They could have little impact on student success. and they could be not followed by the staff, or staff may not know what the statements are. So, my own personal and professional experience, I understand the importance of the vision and mission statement. I have been involved with the writing and revising of our school's vision and mission statements in the past. I did not realize that all stakeholders should share in creating and revising the vision and mission statements, like the board members and all the other staff, and how often the vision and mission statement should be revised. So our mission and vision statement for USD 365 Garnett, Kansas, with the fundamental belief that every student can learn, the primary purpose of Garnett Unified School District number 365 is to provide each student with the learning opportunity for him, her, to establish a foundation for success both now and in the future. And it goes along with what I have been studying. I feel that it meets the needs of the students. I did not really see our vision statement posted on our website as like I thought it should be. I have been with the district for 6 years, and we have updated our mission statement since I've started. I would recommend to the superintendent to create a vision statement and have more stakeholders involved. So the success and well-being for students and adults, the vision and mission statements support the success and well-being of the students and adults involved with the same common goal, holding the students accountable to make sure that they are learning at their potential. And vision and mission statements give clear direction on how to help the students become successful as future adults. So the standard correlation. In this assignment, it helped me understand the importance of the mission and vision statements. It showed how vital it is to have all stakeholders in the schools help in creating the mission and vision statements. The mission and vision statements should include the core values, data use, technology, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. Relevant in this assignment, it brought to my attention the importance of a vision and mission statement. When creating a vision and mission statement, they need to be geared towards your school district's needs and goals. So my reflection. When doing the assignment, I knew the importance of the mission and vision statement, but not to the extent of the articles that were provided. How important that everyone needs to be involved in the creation of the vision and mission statements. The success of our students rely on the staff involvement in their learning. As a future leader, I feel it is important to have everyone involved as part of the mission and vision statements. They need to understand their importance and why they were created. If your staff believes in the statements, they will help with the students believe in them as well as their success. Here's my references. All right, thank you.